Hi there, Paul McMann here with, let's see. Hi there, Paul McMann here with Forex Smart Trade. Here at Forex Smart Trade, we help people become profitable currency traders, and we do that by teaching you how to trade with our simple but accurate proprietary trading indicators. We find the best place to start is just to see that it works, and to see that it works, what we do is we give you out profitable trades so that you can copy them and see how good we are. And then if you would like to expand and trade yourself, we'll teach you how to do that. But starting place is just seeing how well we trade. Today is Monday, November 24th, 2025. It is 3:30 in the afternoon, so I am going to show you one of our dozen different trade strategies. Before we do that, we need to listen to this guy. And I'm sorry, the clock got a little bit away from me, so let us listen to this guy, and then we'll be on our way.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
We teach with a number of different tools. We've been doing this 17 years. We've got a kind of a detailed curriculum. Our indicators have been tested time and time again. They're very simple. They're very accurate. To make trading simple, we give out trades. So I do 3 live trades a week. One that we're in right now. Again, Tuesday morning, Thursday morning. There'll be no trade this Thursday morning because Thanksgiving. But every morning the company sends out a trade pattern alert. They go online at 9:30. If they find one in that 30-minute window, they give it to you. If they don't, they text it to you. They text it to you either way. I do take a look at the charts around 10:30 to see if I find a trade. If I do, I give it to you. This morning we didn't find one. Every afternoon around 4:15, I give out I do an overnight trade setup. Again, I give out a trade to you that you can copy. By the time you wake up in the morning, it should be closed. We'll only be doing one Monday and Tuesday this week. When you become a member, we do one every morning, 10 a.m., every evening, 6 p.m. And then we have a number of different coaching sessions, group coaching sessions. What helps us guide you to get you to where you want to be in terms of earning more, working less, and having more freedom is the personalized one-on-one training. We know where the potholes are, and we get you there. I like to work off of a little what do you call it? A little checklist, so I don't forget anything. So let's take a look. During the session, I generally don't take questions, but if you have questions, just go to forexsmarttrade.com/schedule, and we'll get them answered for you. If you want to get our morning trade, my morning trade, the overnight trade setup. Go to alerts.forexsmarttrade.com. Sign up. It's $99 per month. During the first month, if you're not happy with it at all, just ask for your money back. We'll gladly refund it. We're here to help you make money, to make trading simple, and get you to where you want to be. If you need to get a hold of me, you can try my number, but really the best way is just to hop on my calendar. Every morning, if you're trading using our tools, it's good to refresh your green chart. End of every day should be part of your protocol is to go back and take a look at the trades that didn't go the way you thought and figure out why. And that incremental learning will help you. Our indicators have a built-in simulator where you can go back to the specific point in time and take a look at what the trade looked like, what the setup was, and see if there was something there that gives you a clue as to why the trade didn't go the way you wanted. Our indicators are very, very good at predicting the direction of a move. We are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action, but news does impact currency prices. I like to look at the news at forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com breaks news down into 3 events. Yellow, which is low impact. We ignore those. Orange, which is medium impact. I ignore those. And red, which is high impact. Tomorrow morning, you've got a bunch of news going on the USD. So we've got clear sailing from now to tomorrow morning. Any trade we take should be done by then. So with that, let's take a look. The trade I'm going to do or show you is something called the 10-point trade. When we teach you to trade, there's many different trade strategies. We've got about a dozen. We will customize a trade plan based around your availability to trade and your risk preferences. This one suits me. I like to trade off of a 1-hour chart. On a 1-hour chart, trades are going to be worth anywhere from 5 to 35 pips. And generally, I don't like to take a trade that's worth less than 11 pips. And there are 3 parts to the chart. The chart we're looking at is the light 6 major. It's one of our standard layouts. 3 parts, this middle section, the majors and minors. The top part is the TNTs, and the bottom part is the pressure. So I start with the middle section, which is the majors and minors, and I am looking for a situation where we are overbought. That is, we are above the blue line, and the lines are coming down, and here they're not. So here, we're oversold or below the red line. All the lines are going up. This is what I'm looking for to get the up green candle. So I don't like what I see here. Can you make 11 pips if you take a buy when you're overbought? Yes, you can. Just not part of my trade strategy. So here we've touched oversold, but I don't have all the lines going down. I've got 3 of the 4 lines here. The red and green line is the major indicator. Black and gray is the minor indicator. So right now the majors are kind of sideways. Pound USD overbought. Majors are sideways. I want all the lines going down. Don't have that yet. Dollar Canadian dollar oversold. Minors are sideways. Majors still going down. Dollar Swiss franc oversold. Minors have started to go up. Majors are sideways. I want all the lines going up. What makes it sideways is the red lines going down and the green lines going up. Dollar yen oversold. All the lines are going up. There are 4 things I'm looking for. 1, that we started out oversold. 2, all the lines are going up. They are. 3, I have what I call a double cross. Green lines crossed over the red. Gray lines crossed over the black. And 4, I want the green line at a slope greater than 45 degrees, and it is. So when I have all 4 here, I jump up to my TNTs and count how many lines are supporting what I'm seeing down here, which is a buy. Thick orange line is going up, telling me buy, but thin orange is going down, telling me sell. So we have 1 out of the 2 here. Blue lines are inversely related, and the thick blue line is coming down, telling me buy. So that's the second one. My issue here is, I guess the dotted blue is coming down a little bit. We'll say we give it the dotted blue. So that gives us 3 out of the 4 here. If I jump down to my pressure, I've got very weak down pressure with the red line on top. I either need to have up pressure or the green line on top, and I don't have that here. So I'm going to hold off on this here. Hold on a second. I need to get a drink of water. Oh. Let's see. Let's go to the next chart. This is non-USD pairs. Oversold sideways, approaching overbought, approaching oversold, overbought going up, turned in the middle of the channel. I'm not crazy about these. Oversold going down. So nothing here. Let's go to the next 6. Oversold. Everybody's going up. Double cross and terrific steepness on the green line. So I've got everything I like here. A couple pluses. I like it when all the lines are clustered together like they are here, both the majors and minors. Ooh, jump up to my TNTs. Thick orange is going up, dotted blue coming down, or the thin orange coming down. So only one of the oranges. Thick blue coming down, dotted blue coming up. So only one of the blues. So I'm going to get 2 of the 4 here. I really want 4 of the 4. And I've got kind of sideways pressure with red on top. Oh, man. So I don't have what I want. And actually, this morning we looked at this. It looked just about the same, just out of curiosity. It was a sell. Where were we at? 4 o'clock, or 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Noon, 11, 10. So this is where it was. We had a sell signal at 10. Did we have a sell signal at 10? Yeah, because I didn't want to trade through this. And you can see it's gone up and gone down. So we were good not to trade that. Disagreement. We're touching overbought. All the lines are going down, but I don't have the double cross. I want the red line to have crossed over the green, like the black one has. New Zealand dollar yen. All right. We touched oversold. Everybody's going up. Double cross. Green line has greater than 45 degrees in it. So I got all four that I want. Thin orange is going down, so we don't have agreement there. Just a second ago it was going up. Thick orange is just barely going up. And the other two blue lines are going up. So I have one of the three supporting here. So we're going to pass. Overbought going up. So we're going to pass there. You got everybody going up. But the slope on the green line here is a little bit less than 45 degrees. So I'm going to pass on this. Let's see what we've got on our next one. Overbought going up. We don't have everybody going up. This guy's going sideways. This is, I don't have everybody going up. Pound AUD. We just touched overbought. Everybody's going down. Double cross, good steepness on the green line. The only thing I don't like here is the green line is more than halfway. I don't mind the miners having run through the channel, but I prefer there to be more available. Two oranges going down, dotted blue going up. So 3 of the 4 here saying sell. And I've got down pressure. Down pressure. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at a full chart. I have what I call a confirmation. So that's the pound Australian dollar. Great Britain. Oops. Great Britain. Pound JPO AUD. Normally on a trade like this, I want the 2-hour and the 4-hour to be overbought for these lines to be up here. And the reason I want these lines up here is if for some reason this weakens, I can still pick up the trade. It's just going to take longer to happen if it's on a 2-hour chart and it's overbought. The only thing here is that they are all going down. So just for curiosity, I'd like to see a clean chart. Hold on here. Got some support and resistance in here. I'm sorry, all of a sudden I'm a little sleepy. Support and resistance are spots where the candles seem to naturally stop. So it looks like we're trading into an uptrend. And so 50 pips up. What we're looking at. Gonna sell. Yeah, I don't want to take this because we're sitting right on this support line. I don't want to trade through the line. So we are going to pass on this. So let's see. Disagreement. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. It does have everybody going up. We got all four things that we're looking for here. And then it's too late. Like in Switzerland, it's 10 o'clock. Canada, we're kind of at the end of the day. So let me just go through one more time and see if I see anything. Euro, Swiss franc. We don't have enough here. Looks like we're hitting a resistance line here. Too far. Let us see. I'm going to look and see if we have another setup. It's called the, this is for a scalp trade. It's called the thick orange line. What it does is it looks at what the position of the thick orange line is. Thick orange line is a scaled number. When it's as high as it can go, this number is at 10. When it's as low as it can go, it's at 0. So I'm looking for situations where this is either 0 or 10 or within 1 point of either. So we're not there, we're not there, we're not there. We are here, so it's at 0. And then what I am looking for is the position of the red line on the major indicator. And I want him to be a little bit lower. You can take this trade when there's less than 5 minutes left on the hour, when you're trading off of a 1 hour chart. This is almost there. Almost there. Let's see what else we've got. 1.04 is more than 1. I want it less than 1. Let's see. 8 no, 5 no, 7 no, 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 nothing there. 6, no, I'm looking 0 or 1, or 0 or 10. Nothing there. Nothing there. Let's go back to that first one. I think we can get it. USD, Canadian dollar. We're going to take a buy for 5 pips. A buy for 5 pips. So USD, Canadian dollar. And new order. This is a demo account. We'll take 2. Market buy. Right click, go to modify. And we want 5 pips, which is 50 points. I'm going to use a 4-to-1, which is 200. And I want to get the full 5 pips, so we get in at 59. 14.1. What the heck? So 5 pips would bring it to 109. So I'm going to move this to 09. Click. All right, so we took a buy for 5 pips on the USD CAD with a take profit of 1.41109 and the stop loss of 1.40854. All right, gang, if you want to learn to trade, find somebody who's good at it, get them to teach you. I do these live trades so that you can know that I am good at it and I am willing to teach you. First step is you need to see that it works. So start getting our daily trade setups and you can copy them and make a little money. All right, have a terrific evening. I will see you. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 6:30. Just a few minutes. I'll be sending out the overnight trade setup. Bye-bye.